make our first Tkinter graphical user interface. So we have to import TK Tkinter as TK, or you could put it as whatever you want, like JK. But for standard, we put it as TK. Oh, whoops. Okay. So, and then next we put the step root equals to tk dot tk. This line over here puts a root as the window and then root dot main loop enters and inputs a window. So if I run this if I run this, it will give us this GUI over here. Well, and it has the name TK because it comes as default. But if we want to change TK to something else, like for example, if I put root dot title, then I'll put the name like my name, which is Adil. And then if I enter, it'll give us this name. It will give the title as my name. But what if I want my GUI window as in a certain size? Then I'll do root.geometry and any size you could pick. I personally like 400 by 400 because I think it's more accessible and more easy to glance and look at. As you could see, this is 400 and 400. But if I wanted to change it into 500 by 500, then I'll just have to do this. This changes it to 500 by 500. And so today we'll be talking about Tkinter just in general, like all these thing, all the uses we could do with it. We'll talk for one like label equals to tk dot, and it's remember it's always important to capitalize the label, and then you have to put root in. Wait, let me remove my capital root in for saving it, and then you could do multiple things. As you could see, there's options like active background, color, active foreground, anchor, bitmap, border, and all. But and I'm pretty sure, well, I think the most important are like text. There's one text, and you could see if I put five guys. Wait. If I put five guys, what? But what happened? Five guys isn't there as my label because that's because I forgot. Wait. That's because I forgot to pack it. So you have to do label.pack to save it. And if I type it now, five guys, five guys, I've written five guys. And there's also other abilities like you could do FG. FG is basically like the font color. So you could put the font color as like blue, then it'll put the font color as blue. I'm not sure if you could see it, but let me put in a better color so you could see it more clearer. Okay, let me just. Okay, there, yellow. Now you could see five guys very clearly. Now, if I wanted to change the background, I'll just do BG equals to, I'll say green. And remember, all these have to be in quotes, otherwise it's gonna read you an error. And see, Five Guys, and the background of it is green. But if you want to bold it, you could do this. Come of 40 bold. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, no, never mind. I'm trying to do bold. I accidentally put. Wait. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. You can do bold. Like, there's other type of characteristics you could do. Like, there's times numeral, Arial, and all, but I can't do that as of right now. So you guys have to give me some time. But right now, there's other things that we can do. For example, like if we put the border equals to 40, and then we do, and then you do uh r- relief equals to sunken, sunken. Then it'll give you this. See, isn't it cool? Like with Tkinter, it's a UI, so like you can make all of these, which is super cool and cool aspects in where you could see like Five Guys, and then the border is like 40, and then the border style is sunken, which is actually pretty good. There's also other border styles like ridge, and then if you put that, you'll get wait, hold up 1 second. Yes, you will get this. And that's not like basically the only thing you can do. You could also make use config. So for example, like label.config, you can do as like instead of doing the text 5 guys, you could do text equals to 6 guys, and then when you input it, it's 6 guys. Because config, if you put config below, it'll change it into 6 guys, but it won't change anything else. It'll just change the text from 5 guys into 6 guys. So as you can see, there are many different styles. We could use labels with some of the styles I have already shown you, but I haven't shown you the styles in pack. So in pack you could do side equals right, and if you do it, you make it right at the very edge, right? See? And if you want to make it left, you can make it left. hmm You can make it left, you can make it top or bottom. So these are like the styles you can make it. And there are also, and if you look here, it shows you what you can do with a fill, asides, expand, anchor. So these are all just the styles, and there are some documentation in which you could search up, and then you can learn a lot from them. You making them into packs, configs, labels. But for me, these are like the basic ones, like the basic ones you most want to learn. So if you're gonna like learn which ones you're gonna learn, you have to learn the foreground, background, border, relief, text. And if you want to learn anything else, you can learn anything else too. So, a quick summary on labels is labels are in GUIs a text in which you can put, and there's multiple styles, and you could put the text like you could put the text in yellow, and then border is background color is green, and then border is red. You can do all of that if you put your mind to it. So, Tinkercad, uh, Tkinter is a UI module. If you want to learn, I learned it at a pretty young age, so I hope you guys can also learn it too at a pretty young age. But if you're still like a pretty old, then I hope this tutorial is gonna be very useful to you, and I wish and hope the best for all.